good, Danny. That's very good. Do some more.
Daddy's taking your picture so we can watch you on TV.
Do more. I want to hear.
Do more.
That's it. Way to go.
You want me to take it so you can help him?
Sure. That's it. You're doing it. You change mouthpieces. That's it, Danny. Very good. Take it out. Let's try this one now. I want to hear you do this one. No, in the trumpet. Put it in the trumpet and do it. That's for your double C's.